I'm Odi and this is my freshly built Falcon Tire fuel suspension S15. Matt's a great teammate, but I gotta make sure I beat him every time.
And I'm Matt Field, and this is my Falcon Tire Drift Cave Corvette. Yeah, we're pretty good friends off track, but when we're on track, nothing but frenemies.
So yeah, we appreciate you guys' effort and glad that you're out here, and let's move into the fun stuff now.
So what are you gonna do on your extended practice?
I know, I get a bye run. It's tough in its own way, because now I'm going into top 16, not having a battle since Irwindale 2019.
Odi Bakshi's out front in that Falcon Tires fuel suspension. S14.5, Rome in his garage-astic vehicle, that BMW. Well done by Odi Bakshi's.
Transition with him, everything was beautiful, and then next thing I know, I'm like right near his door, and I was like, sick, this is gonna be a nice finish, and unfortunately I think Rome was still setting up for the turn, and he just didn't get on the gas when I expected him to get on the gas. I think he was still slowing down, so went into him, and that sucked because the run ended there. We crashed, which made it unable to complete the course on the last turn. Judges reviewed it over and over again, and they gave the win to me. So now we got to fix the damage, unfortunately. So, and we got some work ahead of us, so we're gonna get to it, and I look forward to battling more. And I need to find a drill bit that we can basically machine a recess for this text.
Cool.
Yep.
Pedal Commander Borla Corvette, it is Matt Field! Feel the heat wave from Matt Field.
Let's bump up pressure, static pressure, get the tools for it.
Got done with my run with Dylan Hughes in top 16. My car had a hiccup right as I crossed the finish line, and it like kind of shut down. He smashed into me. We had to call R5 to fix the damage. Fortunately, it was just a wheel. Either way, that means we have a lot of work to do tonight to figure out why it's not running right for tomorrow, because tomorrow's round 2.
Odi Bakshi quickly gets the side of the BRZ, transitioning at the same time. Good sweep. Sweep the leg, Johnny. That outside zone 3. Let's see how they handle that final outside zone. We got contact, my friend.
It's okay, Doug.
Cool.
It's all right, Doug.
Always when I drive with you,
You push hard, I know.
Yeah.
And I expect it.
You know. Sorry.
No, it's all good, Doug. See you, man.
Take it.
Better luck next tomorrow. We don't know what the problem is, so we bypass every safety in the car just to keep it going. There's literally, it's like plugged in. The only way to turn it off is, well, we have a toggle switch wired in, but we bypassed a bunch of stuff and we're not sure what's wrong, but it kind of worked.
Should I drill that to feel or you directly?
Hey, how
Let's see
was
what's up. My car was cherry.
I'm sorry, dude. What was up with the last run?
Oh, I came in hot. It was all good.
Going to that second outside zone. Now remember, Ryan Turk had that last battle with no power steering, but Odi, he doesn't care at all. Third place in that Falcon Tires Field Suspension S13. Make some noise for Odi Bakshis.
Our hopes were up. Everything actually went pretty good. We wrapped up last night pretty early. I think we're out of here by midnight or so, which was great. We got some sleep and we came into today well rested with a car that I have a lot of confidence in. So I feel like now it's all on me.
I did a warm-up run, I got comfortable, and it was go time. So it's just kind of the nature of the weekend, I think, and unfortunately, drifting has already been a contact sport, and with this weekend format, it's only gonna get worse.
Shallows up quite a bit there as well. A very tight approach on that front clip. And Matt Field continues on in that Falcon Tire Drift Cave. Pedal Commander Corvette crossing the finish line. Odi Bakshis initiates that Falcon Tire Field Suspension S13. We'll see how he feels after this run. Ooh, Eve Meyer with a correction there in that Latesso BMW. Now coming to that third outside zone. All right, let's introduce you to our top 16 drivers here at round 2 of the Formula Drift Pro Championship, the first ever Formula Drift event on a Sunday, and the first ever doubleheader.
I know you ripped up your car, you did shit, but I wanted to just remind you, just drive the way we drive at Willow with him.
We can. Great initiation there by Osbo, and quickly Matt Field tucks in.
My chase run, applied the pressure, did what I had to do. Could have been better in a couple of places, but overall I was pretty happy with it. Tapped the wall and outer zone 4, pressuring, trying to be as aggressive as I possibly can. And then had to come in, call R5, fix the car, go back out. Didn't even get to fully initiate because Frederick was to my left and I flick in. As soon as I flicked, I hit my left rear to his right front and damaged some more stuff. So that's what they're doing back there. And we're heading out to top 8 with Ken Gucci, so can't complain.
Can he get on the podium once again? Transitioning out. Oh, Dai Yoshihara with that flip. Transitions into the second outer zone. And look at that, Odi tit for tat, bringing into that front clip. Odi actually taking it home for lunch. And then Dai Yoshihara in the third. Remember, Dai has that big mistake here. Odi Bakshis.
Good times. This is good.
I know, I always have a good time when I'm driving with you, so.
Same here.
I'm really not happy losing fucking same place.
I got lucky, Di.
No, man, you did it.
Thank you, man.
But Matt Field brings it around the Beast from the Bay out to that third outside zone, transitioning into that final. Oh, you see a correction for both the guys, right? You see JTP, little flick of the wrist, and then now into that outside zone. Dropped right in. Well done by both drivers. Hitting all the outside zone. Oh, Matt Field going. Can he take down Ryan Turk? Ryan got him yesterday. Who's going to move on tonight?
Wasn't quite what I did to Chelsea, pushing him around the track. I was trying to be a little bit smarter, so I should have just put my tire through his door.
Luckily, I led, so I kind of got to, set my own pace. I just did a killer lead run, and my spotter observed how he followed me. Then unfortunately, going into the last zone, I got clouded by a smoke. I've actually never been smoked out by anyone on this track all weekend, and the first time it happened was in the final battle.
Third place yesterday, second place today. Ryan Turk and Odi alternating positions.
I took myself out on that one, but hey, it's really hard to keep it clean and tidy throughout the whole event, and I'm very happy to be landing in number 2 spot overall. I'm not gonna beat myself up about it. We got a great car, great team. Looking forward to the next rounds.
been a hell of a ride. But to finish 4th after coming off of a terrible day yesterday, I'm all right with it. I'm looking forward to Seattle. Evergreen Speedway is a hell of a track, and this car is definitely good there, so I think we can bring the heat.